YouTube rolled out a game-changing update to its advertising formats, revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their target audience. This update brings several exciting changes that advertisers and content creators alike should be aware of. Let's dive into the details of these innovative YouTube advertising formats. Later this year, we'll be updating ad controls in YouTube Studio to extend best practices and optimize creator earnings, simplifying pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ad controls on long-form videos. Starting in November, we're optimizing creator revenue and taking the guesswork out of which ad formats to use by removing individual ad controls for pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads on newly uploaded videos. Going forward, when creators turn ads on, viewers may see any of these ad formats. As we currently do today, YouTube will utilize many factors to determine when viewers will see these types of ads to both maximize revenue and ensure a positive viewing experience. These factors include the amount of time viewers are exposed to ads and the number of times an ad interrupts the video they're watching. This change will only apply to new uploads. All previously uploaded videos will retain their existing ad format selections unless a video's monetization settings are edited in the future. Creators will also continue to have full control over mid-roll ad placements and whether to turn these ads on or off. Why are you making this change? We recommend pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads as a best practice and are now extending this to all creators to help optimize creator earnings. Most creators shouldn't notice a change as they already have many of these ad formats turned on by default. In the last year, for long-form videos that were enabled for monetization at time of publishing, more than 90% of videos had pre-roll, post-roll, skippable, and non-skippable ads turned on. Non-skippable ads. In an experiment in 1H 2023, we observed that creators who had non-skippable ads enabled, in addition to multiple combinations of all other ad formats, saw an average of over 5% greater YouTube ad revenue and a 1% decrease in watch time compared to creators who did not have non-skippable ads enabled. Pre-roll ads. In an experiment in 1H 2023, we observed that creators who had pre-roll ads enabled, in addition to multiple combinations of all other ad formats, saw an average of over 15% greater YouTube ad revenue and a 5% decrease in watch time compared to creators who did not have pre-roll ads enabled. Since mid-roll ads have become part of the live stream and long-form video viewing experience, we're giving creators more mid-roll controls in the coming months to help increase potential earnings. New mid-roll ad controls for live streams. To help creators earn while live streaming, creators can opt to have YouTube optimize or self-select mid-roll ads to appear at set intervals during a live stream. Before an ad appears in Live Control Room, creators will see a 60-second countdown with the option to skip the ad. Soon, we're introducing a new Delay Ads button to delay mid-rolls and live display ads from appearing for 10 minutes. If an ad is skipped or delayed, the Insert Ads button can be used to manually insert a mid-roll at any time, optimizing mid-roll ad breaks on long-form videos. To help creators optimize mid-roll ad frequency and earnings on their long-form videos, we'll be introducing another option to select mid-roll ad breaks. In the coming months, creators will have the option to allow our systems to consider both YouTube's recommended and creators' manual ad breaks. Since an ad is not shown in every ad break, this gives our system more choices to select the most appropriate time to show a viewer an ad, benefiting both creators and viewers. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative tutorials and tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.